This week, a hot new bombshell enters the villa.
This season, it's going to be full of fun and excitement. Alliances crumble, secrets explode, and someone's about to walk away.
Alam mo, Jeyo, reklamo ka ng reklamo.
Hindi ka naman naghugas.
Naghugas ako, te.
Te, ano yun? Ano yun?
Paano mo malalaman? Hindi naman kita katabi nun. Ano ba ako binibidyoan, ha?
Sa ugali na nga lang dapat siya babawi, hindi pa magawa. Respeto na lang, oh.
You know, some people can take a joke or two.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, nang alarm na.
Ba't kailangan mo pa yung content to, Josh?
No, honestly, kasi parang feeling ko wala naman na nakinig din sa akin.
Alam mo kung wala ka namang ginagawa, hindi yung puro paganda ka lang dyan.
Alam yung tipong, just make up your mind.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Who will stay and who will go? Stay tuned to find out.
Oh my day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lord.
What was that?
Crown, that's a jam. That's a jam.
Fairies. Ito na ba yung yacht ni Lurge? Oh, this is how it looks like. Now on our way to Siquijor. Okay, nakasakay na kami ngayon sa ferry.
She was a fairy.
So galing kaming Dumaguete. Actually, nandito pa rin kami sa Dumaguete. Under na yung ferry while papunta sa Siquijor.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Guess what?
We're still traveling.
So we're in the van. We're traveling
Now to the villa.
To the villa. Ang daming travel.
No, kasi depende kasi doon yung San Juan.
Hello, trip ko. Go.
Mostly sa San Juan, nandun yung mga establishments. But yung villa kasi na book namin is kind of like a 30 minutes away from San Juan.
Yeah. Parang nasa gitna siya ng gubat or something vibes.
Hindi ko alam ko ba't nag-i-inerte yung baklang pangit sa likod, aka
Jeyo. Pangit naman siya.
like, kala mo naman nakapunta na siya dito.
Kaya kala mo local siya. Feeling ko.
Bakit yung grab share na
Anyway, we're almost there naman kasi parang 20 minutes lang yung traffic. Kanya pa kami traffic. So, uy, Jeyo! Kadiri! Jeyo, bahuti! Look where we're staying at. Oh my god, look at that! There's a pool outside and look at the view! Here's the main door. Wow, this is the living room. Look at, parang it's like a glass. Super aesthetic ng place. Like! And there's a kitchen here. And there's a second floor. Here's the second floor. Hi! Oh my god!
So here is the second floor. As you can see, you have a bed.
Wow.
Where you can put your clothes as well.
Oh, there's a closet.
And the open bathroom.
Ay, okay. Oh my god.
Good luck.
Girl.
Good luck sa sinipan.
Ganito kami ka-close. Like, sobrang public ng CR.
Ganito ka close.
Oh my god, ang gag.
Grabe yung pagka-open.
Wait, so paano maliligo? Okay, there's another balcony. Ay, parang yung sa ano. Okay, work.
Wala nang hiya-hiya.
Fantasy. Oh my god, look at the view.
Kind of scary though.
In a way, pero vibes.
Okay, the normal is the same, like you have to type this. Same. Yeah. To capital.
Jay, nai-hypnotize ako. Pag-intro naman tayo, mabilis lang. Salang, Jay, yung isisigaw ka ng Siquijor eh.
We're here in Siquijor! Okay.
We're here at the pool, just chilling. Ako yung pinakit. Yung una nga, epal. Nakakatawa.
Try mo na.
Nakakatawa. Tanga naka-shorts ako. Okay, so I changed into a different outfit na. Mag-grocery kami, 7-Eleven. Tapos, we're gonna have lunch. It's already 1 p.m. So, let's go.
A few minutes later.
Iba ito. Bam! Everyone's getting ready. We're gonna have lunch. We're gonna go grocery shopping kasi malayo dito yun.
Grocery shopping, palengke kasi. Kala mo naman anak mayaman.
We're gonna go palengke shopping.
Ano palengke? Palengke?
No, I'm still trying to learn the Filipino language kasi... Oh!
Transition niya. Pagdating pa ganun ko, nasa palengke na tayo.
So bakit kami nagsikihor? Bakit hindi? The real reason we're here is because we are celebrating Lurge's birthday. So tomorrow yung birthday niya, it's June 4. Also, nag-rent si Lurge ng car. Nag-rent ng car si Lurge, Yana. Period. TYL. Thank you, Lurge. On our way to Coco Grove.
Wala kuya, bitag ko. Pwede makakana kuya?
Information that...
Hindi pwede. We just got here sa Coco Grove pero wala daw. May guest daw sila ngayon. Reserve yung place.
Yeah.
Hoy! So, ano na name nito? Luca Loco. We're here at Luca Loco. Okay. A fusion. It's more of a fusion restaurant. Wala magsasaksuka. Sino gusto maki-half tayo?
Half. Matcha.
Paano din siya?
Yay! Pero may pansit naman.
Ooh! Daming food! Kain tayo, guys! Kain! Daming food! Itadakimasu! Wow, shakshuks! Panalo! We're gonna try the shakshuks. Luwa ako gago. Ipan ko muna ito kasi mainit siya. Ako volleyball. So we just got here sa may Boo Cafe because these girlies, they want to have coffee daw. Especially this girly. Sa coffee connoisseur.
For some amazing views.
Yeah. Ay, maganda yung view dito. Ooh. Need daw iiwan yung slippers dito sa Boo Cafe. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my god, the view! Let me picture though. So we're here sa may Boo Cafe. The vibes here is so cute. Like, I don't know.
It's very overlooking.
Yes.
It's very nature.
And like, sobrang daming tao knowing na it's only like a Tuesday. Like, example for this guy.
Sino po kayo?
Matagal ka pa ba just wait? Ay, kaya huwag kayong ganyan-ganyan sa amin, te.
Kailangan matuto kayo mag-self-defense pag may mga ganyang excess.
Lalo na pag ganun yung itsura.
Lalo na pag ganun yung itsura. I like how Sikihor is very like a nature
kind of place. Hindi siya yung more on beach. More on...
like a different scenery siya for like a summer.
Yes, correct. Sa falls, hiking, more on ganun.
Pero they also have good beaches, which is yung Paleton Beach na pupuntahan namin soon, which is next clip.
Check. Hindi para magmando sa edit.
3, 2, 1.
And we're back! Yung si Lurge, pinwestuhan na yung isang table. Ayan. Ganito kasi gusto namin table. Si Lurge nakaupo na.
Pinwesto ka.
Mando? Ay, ayan. Ala. Hi, boys! Sinabihan kami before dun sa villa na magba-brown out. Guess what? Nandito kami sa may Boo Cafe and nagsimula na mag-brown out. Tapos nawala yung wifi nila.
So yun, since nag-brown out na nga, we don't have a choice but to...
taking.
Ay, sorry. Sino prep?
On duty ang mga clown.
Sunset na Ito na ba bagong calling?
Ba't ganyan pa yung salamin? Transition. We have a passion fruit mojito and a regular mojito.
Hi sir, this is your whiskey sour drink made with love and compassion. Bakit yung waiter mo kang sour na? Din, masaba. Let's cheers to the night that will never end.
Sa akin yan.
Akin to, passion fruit ako.
Passion fruit ako, bakla sa'yo regular. We can share. We can share.
The game?
What content?
Ay!
What kind of giving?
Ara, petik mo pa, tara, ka, A-team, oh. Go, transition. Ay!
Ganyan gago.
Poji. Eh! Sino yun? Hear me say. Parang ganun, te. Ay, gago!
Wala ko tulog ka, gago. Mag-vlog na sana ako. Biglang nakadilat, gago. Nagulat ako.
Andito na kami, nakabalik na kami sa may villa.
Bibisitahin natin ang bahay. Kung saan tayo malalasing. Mag-ingat lang. Ate, bakit ang lamig?
Nico, parang tanga. Sige, nagturo na naman si Alton.
Ako na magkakagat.
Kagatin mo yan, buong fist.
Ba't na po work ang birthday girls?
Lurch, swimming na.
Lab! Tama na yan. Lab!
Mamaya na yan, lab. Swimming na.
It's Tagalog, like... Ito, ikaw.
Ano to, tenga? Kain. Good morning, it's day 2 here in Siquijor. So right now we are making breakfast. By we mean Ken.
So today, we are going to Palengke.
Just wanna share, we had the best sleep here kasi nakapag 10 hours of sleep kami. Like sobrang... Anyway, we had the best sleep here. We almost had... Takot sila yung mga aswang talaga dito. Pero sobrang sarap ng sleep namin kagabi. Nakabawi kami malala. Like, ito na talaga, nakatulog na kami. So, tignan niyo yung tsura ng place namin ngayon. Again, parang nag-moist siya. Sobrang vibes. Anyway, today's agenda is very exciting. We're gonna celebrate Lurge's birthday. So, nag-rent si Lurge ng yacht! We're so excited for that. So,
Yung vlog kasi nung tono niya. Anong wala yung making?
Ken, what are you making?
We're gonna cook fiesta, which is only available in the Visayas.
Ay, ito to?
Yeah, in the Visaya region. So we're gonna make scrambled eggs. Rafi's gonna beat the eggs because he likes beating the eggs. And
Wow.
yeah, we're also gonna make simple fried rice.
Wow! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Wow! Breakfast made by Ken and Ravi. We have rice. We have meatloaf. We have egg. And pancit canton. And pandesal and bread. We're currently getting ready. Period. Time lapse.
Need that money, cause I the bag I keep, cause I need that money, cause I the bag I keep, cause I need that money.
Second day outfit. So, I don't can see it, pero I'm wearing this ukay top, this ukay pants. Super cute ng details, very Carl John Cruz vibes. Tapos, I just added these accessories, super cute, and this bag. Okay, by the way, meron akong gift kay Lurch, hindi ko pa nabibigay. Nasaan na ba yan? Hello? Meron akong gift kay Lurch, bibigay ko na sa kanya. Ewan ko ready na siya, pero pag ready na siya, bigay ko na lang. Bibigay ako sa'yo!
What's that?
Bibigay ako sa'yo! Ano ba? Oh my God! Hintayin kita sa Putang ina. Hintayin kita sa kama. I have a gift for you! You're gonna like it.
Josh gives the best gift.
Period.
Hi, kid. I'm right here.
Oh!
Hindi lang, sinabi ko lang yun for the vlog. Oh my God! Silver na!
Sabi ko kasi sa kanya, bumili ka na ng silver accessories, mura siya gold! So I got her
like...
like...
magagamit ko to today kasi silver ako, tas wala akong ano...
Non-tarnished yan, dear. Like stainless steel up in this.
Ang dami!
Yes.
Buti nakuha mo yung ring size ko.
Ay, tama ba yan? Girl, kasi yung iba hindi ko ano.
Oo, 5. Tsaka 4.
May 6 dyan. Ay, I guess hindi kasha sa'yo yung 6. Pero ang cool niyan, like, 3 connecting rings yan. Again, I got you necklace, I got you bracelet, silver. Yeah, may mga ano dyan, may mahaba ata. Basta meron dyan may mahaba, may maiklis, may earrings.
Ang tagal ko na-realize, sabi ko, pang buhok ba to? Kasi wala akong salamin.
So I got her the silver necklaces, silver bracelets, silver rings.
Period!
Yeah! Happy birthday, Te!
Thank you!
Okay, last minute na sila nag-ready. Hello? Hello, ate. We're now on our way to a coffee shop. Doon muna kami magkikiling time kasi...
Called Starbucks. Ay, wala pala din.
Kasi 1 PM pa yung yacht. So...
And 2 hours ang biyahe.
Yes. Ay, totoo. 2 hours yung biyahe ko dun. So...
56 kilometers.
O bakit? Sa 56 kilometers times 0.1 and from the domination times 2, parang 1.5 lang.
Well, actually, kasi according to my calculations of the astronomics, the physics, and the balance of the chemical and imbalance, hormonal imbalance, akala ko 2 hours.
Kasi pag-calculate ko using the Einstein formula, which is E equals, ewan ko sa'yo, is 1/30 lang.
Okay. I mean, that's third naman according to the law of physics kasi.
Kasi also use the the pie formula, which is cherry pie. Cherry pie.
Happy Pride! We love women in mathematics.
Women in STEM.
So, ayun nga, magka-coffee shop muna, then afterwards, mag-yacht na tayo. Bye, Miss Lurch! TYL! Thank you, Lurch! So, we just got here sa may coffee shop. What's the name of the coffee shop? Cafe de Guyod. Cafe de Guyod. Ah, this. De Guyod. At merong naka-rollers si De Guyod. The place looks so cute. Wala siyang aircon sa loob. Brown out. Okay. Okay, apparently brown out pala today. Mas generator lang gumagana ang place. By the way, guys, if you wanna see a aesthetic version of this Siquijor trip, head on to Lurch's channel because this is not the most aesthetic vlog you've ever seen. So, yes, ano to? Makalat version. Coffee's here. Kahit di sa akin yan. What's the verdict? Mr. Coffee Connoisseur. Masarap. Totoo? With or without camera?
Oh, wow.
So, Kylie said may accessories daw sa baba. So,
I got this there.
Ay, well, ang cute. Tara! Oh my God, Mats. Cute. Wait, Gagiana. Ay, ang cute. Ang daming clips. Nagagong cute. 80 pesos lang. Ang cute ng rings. Cool nitong square na to. Masya square. It's here. Ay, ang cute naman ng shape na ito. It's cute. Cute ng clips. Parang bagay siya sa outfit. Ang cute. Ito yung picture. She's not that sweet, but she's like, I'm in my own home, and I gotta try to say what's on my mind. You should have known. And here kami sa may Hiraya Siquijor, and they have complimentary drinks. Wow! Thank you! Wow! Ano to? Like, ano?
Wow!
Okay, thank you!
What's your name?
Jailer. Hi, Jailer! Thanks, Jailer. Cheers, guys! One nga rin. We're just waiting here sa Mahiraya. And 2 p.m. pa yung yacht. Pero it's only like 12:30, so napaaga kami ng like 2 hours, I guess. Ang daming doggies. Hello? Ito din, oh. Hello, ha?
Pagkagalitin yung isa.
Ito, I love yung hair ng doggy na to. Oh, ay, isa. Every night in my... Parang iba na yung mukha ni Rose. Nalanta na si Rose. Ito si Rose after mabangga dun sa iceberg. So meron pa kaming 1 hour before mag-yacht. And lahat sila may mga sariling ganap. Like may nagje-jenga dito. May dito, bahay ko. Alam, may mga sarili silang ganap.
Challenge into a battle.
Let's go.
This is gonna be a house pet for all houses.
I'll set the challenge. Let's go. Welcome to Bet na Bet!
Bet na ba to?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 6 versus 4.
I bet 1 chip.
No, say my referee. Oh.
So paano ito? Kailangan lumos.
I'm tired of this game.
We're gonna play cornhole. Ready?
Kampi.
Hand.
Wait lang.
Bato, pick. Lose. Wait. Loser. Lose. Magagaling ang mga lose. Let the cornhole begin. My friend from Australia will explain the game.
We draw a line over here. It's like basketball, but you know, you just like shoot it in the hole.
Any hole is a goal?
Yeah, any hole is a goal. I know.
Airtime, may airtime siya. Allow mo po siya dyan.
Funny story.
0!
Parang mali pa lang kakampi namin si Jeyo.
Atin ko kayo.
Parang walang mananalo po.
Galing ni Jan!
Alarma! Namumuro na kayo sa akin, ha? Pagkita sa inyo.
Wala pa akong picture dito sa outfit na to, ha?
Haggard na ako. Hello, mga no! Sasakay na kami sa yacht. Ang ganda ng corset nila, oh.
Ay, tingnan mo, tinanggap ni Marina.
Asa nakalagay, Marina?
Marina approve. Thank you, Marina.
Salamat, Marina.
Si Marina pala to. Nako, kay Kylie masyadong malaki. Laki kasi nasuso ni ako. Kuya, wag na yan. May lulutang naman dyan. Ano po ulit yung waiver, sir? Ano po yung waiver?
Ay, dito naman, pwede naman pong pag nalaglag ang wig, malaglag na din yung tao.
Ah? Ba, sino po ba naka-wig siya?
Hindi ko po alam.
Ay, ang cute ng pusa. Meow.
Alay,
ay, hindi ba ikaw? Ano sa atin yung mukha niya nahahatak? Okay, so in order to get to the yacht, kailangan isakyan mo na i-tease. Kasi nandun yung yacht, oh. Ang layo. Okay, kami na po ay nakasakay. Ito na po ang rescue boat. Natagpuan po kami sa Dalampasigan. Ito na po yung nirentahan naming yate. Hanggang 4 lang po talaga siya pwede. Hi, kuya. Hey. Nakakatayo siya, oh.
Sa tubig, kuya, kaya mo rin.
Char. Eh, ni mga pangit, oh. Magsuot ng orange pag pangit ka!
Kung orange ay suot.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now...
Happy birthday to you, Tay. Sana makasama ka pa rin namin hanggang dulo. Lerge, kung napapanood mo to, sana umabot to sa'yo. Lalaking naka-off shoulder. Ganyan.
Secured sa sexuality.
Last na vlog na to, I hope you guys love us and remember us.
Yes. If ever mahanap nyo yung camera, paki-edit na lang din. As upload nyo sa Josh Cruz channel.
Kasi yung password, ano na lang. Alam ko yung password mo.
Alam nyo na lang kay Miko yung password pag nabuhay siya.
I-chat nyo kay Chicks. Kay David Janiat ko. Ay, oo.
So, bye guys!
We've been friends for years now. I really want to spend my whole life with you. Oh my God! The rest of your life with me. Is that a yes?
Guys, ang lakas ng blow.
Patingin? Ala!
Ba't parang ang baho?
Ang baho? Binibidyoan mo ba ako? Kanino ba ako binibidyoan? Hindi ka nagpapaalam! Sige, pitik mo! Oh! Pa, ta, pa. Oh, hipa. Pa! Ito pala yung love ng yacht. It's so cute. Tapos meron silang CR.
Ay, pwede mag-YouTube sa inyo.
Respeto na lang, oh.
Ay, bagay dyan! Bagay dyan!
Respeto na lang sa apartment.
Ba't alam? Okay po, magsisimula na po ang picture taking with the debutant. Table 1, simulan na po natin. Huwag niyo muna itawid yung bata! Yung bata! Huwag niyo muna
Ito po ang tawag natin, Amazing Siren.
Ito po.
Kaya nga partner, di ba?
Oo nga, partner. So ngayon, yung pag-uusapan natin sa podcast na to ay yung mga taong nahihilig parang may naramdaman ako kumalabit sa akin. Ayan siya. Bartender kami dito.
At 60, kay Lord Ferry. Para sa ito, si tita mo kakanta.
Babae.
La luce c'è tu.
Hello! Ito, nalalabas na nga namin. Alerts correct! Ikaw na ang may sapi.
Ano may sapi?
Ako'y mahal. Dancer. Di ba nila alam? Hindi nyo ba alam?
Hindi!
Picture pa. Sige.
Sinabi ko sa'yo magpipicture pa tayo.
We're just gonna take pictures and I'll be back in a sec. Wait lang, babalik ako. We were busy taking photos kanina.
Wow, English eh, no?
Nagko-content kami lahat kanina. Sorry, hindi ko na na-vlog yung BTS. Pero ayan.
Nice, ang ganda!
Simple lang. Happy birthday, Lergy Purgy Puri Mo! Ay! Ay! Ay!
Hindi na kuha!
Bagay sila! Ay! Kay! Okay na kaya! Ay! Jeyo! Ay! Jeyo! Happy birthday, Lergy! Happy birthday!
Mag-swimming tayo para kay Lords.
Hey! 1, 2, 3, talo!
3! 2, 1. Talong ni Josh, ganito lang.
Wala sa isip ko, gano'n! Ayos ako!
Ganda! Hi, ganda!
Hi mga kaibigang tao! Ilong mo ha? Alto! Rafi!
So it's day 3 here in Siquijor. Everyone's getting ready. Ang plans right now is we have reservations, lunch reservations at Coco Grove. Then may pupuntahan kaming beach, bonfire. Pupuntahan kaming bonfire na nireserve nila. So today's gonna be very exciting. Anyway, so maraming plans today. It's so exciting.
Ano maraming plans? Dalawa lang naman. Alam mo yung plano ko sa'yo? Ha? Ibaon sa lupa. Alam mo, kayo na lang pangit dito. Nag-aaway pa kayo.
Ay! Magkakakampi tayo dito.
Ay.
Kampihan!
Kaba? Kampihan! Kampihan! Pangit pa! So today,
ikaw ganyan magsalita.
So, today, pupunta tayo ngayon. Gusto mong ganun ako? Ngayon nga pala, pupunta nga tayo ng Coco Grove. Tapos dediretso rin tayo ng Paliton Beach. Napakaganda nga pala doon.
I'm getting a silk press.
Mama, that burns.
I'm getting my silk press. Mama, that burn!
Yun, so, yeah. Let me go. Siyempre.
Hello? Morning! Wait for your love, I'll wait for your love. Me and my truth, let's sit in silence. Okay, so nandito kami sa Coco Grove.
Narinig nyo ba kami? Please comment down below.
So nandito kami sa Coco Grove. Last time, di kami...
Tingnan mo muna yung reply nila.
Kapag
nag-comment na sila doon muna lang.
Bakit po ang pangit na nakasando na puti? Ay, grabe ka.
Gago si Josh yun.
Bakit may bulok na bagang yung nakaitim?
Ay, buti na di ako nakaitim.
Ay, ang cute here.
Serious?
Parang bagay outfit ko dito. Ganda oh. Wow, the place looks so cool here. Wow! So, ito na yung in-order namin kinilaw. So, fine dining.
Decide. Tignan mo pa ako. Tignan mo. Tignan mo palit ako.
So, we're here na sa may Paliton Beach. And, medyo cloudy ngayon though. Medyo konti lang yung tao kasi it's a week.
Which is nice also.
Yeah. So, we're just gonna look at the spot.
Which is nice.
Okay.
You can rest.
Parang ayaw ko na magsalita.
Which is nice. So, walang mapapanood.
Ay, hello.
Which is nice, diba?
But, hindi pa tayo may trim, te.
Tinanggal ko na para sa'yo. Which is nice.
Nice. Na-realize ko lang dito sa mga beaches here sa Siquijor, mas marami silang seagrass. Hindi sa lumot. More on seagrass sila. Change outfit! Laro yung mga bata. Sinabihan kaming bading at mga tomboy. Up, sleep, chest. We're here sa may La Canopy. Thanks, Alton, for reserving this place. Thanks, Alton. Thank you, Alton, for teaching me how to live. Kiss nga yung couple. Kiss, mabilis lang kiss. Si Robby tsaka Alton. When I see depressing creatures, then I think possessing features. I realize I'm not my only.
Hi, nandito ka na naman sa pamamahay ng asawa mo.
Siyempre, pamamahay ng asawa ko to eh. Anong in-expect mo? Dapat nakatira ko dito.
Sige, sabihin mo sa akin kung ilan ang ibibigay ko sa'yo para hiwalayan mo ang anak ko.
Papaalala ko lang sa'yo, Margaret, ha? Kung saan ka nang galing. Parehas lang tayong madumi ang budhi. Alam mo, nakakatawa ka, no? Paalala ko lang sa'yo. Parehas lang tayong may tinatagong lihim sa pamilyang ito.
Hindi nila pwedeng malaman yun, Kylie!
Akala mo hindi ko alam? Ipinaimbestiga na kita.
Ganun mo na yung counting ko na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yun yung twerk, di ba?
One, 2, 3, go! And get, and go!
I'm gonna withdraw from this one love.
Hi everyone, today we gonna cook.
And by we, she meant me. Nagulat siya. Uy, bilisan nyo naman maglinis dyan. Palagi nyo lang iniiwan pag matutulog. Ay, putang ina.
Bugay niyo si Josh, bugay niyo si Bugay niya.
Ay, tangina mo ha. Namumuro. Boom! Boom! What you're looking for, it's been here the whole time and you can see the eye. Laro, ayaw umalis ng aso. Dead na sa bashers.
Sorry ah. Pasensya na.
Pasensya na ha. So ito yung Firefly menu nila. Screenshot nila. Ay, mga dogs magkakasama.
Necessity to
Ayan! Necessity pala.
Tara na, bababa na kami. Papunta na kami sa... Ito na yung papunta na kami sa may Ann Curtis Falls. Ay, hindi ba ito yun? Ano to?
Josh, gawa ka ng kwento, misleading ka.
With Spotify Premium, you get to listen to your favorite songs without annoying ads. Click the banner below to start your premium.
So, we just got here sa may falls. Ito na yun. Ito na yun yung kay Ann Curtis. Ito. Oh my God, may accessories. Get namin yung mga yan. Ang cute. Yung binili kong jade necklace. It matches my...
Picture tayo guys.
Ito na, magsisimula na. Wow, ang ganda. Wala, ang cute ng mini falls. Wow, that's so cool. Ang ganda dito guys. Pero ang daming tao. So we found a spot here. Super cute. Yun yung background. Hi! Ganda. Vibes lang. We're just here for the experience. Tapos hindi na namin gawin yung ferry kasi ang daming tao. Ang haba ng pila. Hindi yung sakit na likod.
Bitaw na!
Ever gonna be is me. I'll be living as you can hear. So this is we're gonna eat sa may Dolce Amore.
Buongiorno.
Anong buongiorno? Mali.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so after mag-brown out for like an hour, everyone's getting ready. We're gonna party tonight! Okay, so pa-party lang muna kami. Hindi ko na masasama kayo, buddies. So, iwan ko muna kayo dito. So, I'll see you guys later!
Para matulog na kayo.
Tulog na kayo, buddies.
Wait, nakikiss ko lang.
Ako din.
Kiss ko yung buddies ko. Good night, buddies.
Parang iba may nakita sa'yo. Mano. Good night, guys.
Walang dance floor.
The view. The dance floor. Breakfast by Rafi and Ken. Thank you so much. And scene. We just finished shooting our content, and it's our last full day, so we're gonna enjoy our last full day
Of our lives.
of our lives. So,
You know I want that I can just see you.
Yung mga buddies, so ngayon kakain kami for our late lunch or early dinner. Kayo mag-decide because it's already 4:28 p.m.
one more kiss, I'll wait for you. I promise you the way. Uy! Alam mo, ang inantalag dyan. Lahat ng pwedeng pasukan, papasukan. Saan yan? Kylie.
Diba, iconic?
Mukha ni Kylie. Okay, buddies, so dito kami sa may souvenir shop. Ang daming souvenir stores. Need namin pumunta dito before umuwi. The Balletich, Old Enchanted Balletich. Ayaw nga, no! Okay. Oo, meron dito yung love potion. Found some accessories. Like cute ones.
Diba sa Sikihor, uso kulam daw if ever. So kung magkakaroon ng kulaman, ako pinaka-safe pala.
Bakit?
Kasi pag kumuha sila ng buhok sa akin, hindi ako aaray.
Ate, yung supplier yung aaray. Kasi nakawigalo ang sisi ko, so safe siya. Gago. Minsan nakakatakot yung mga kaibigan kung biglang may saltik sila. Oh. Tingnan mo, nakita ko!
You don't know how I feel. I'm more than a word. But I got. I don't know where I've been. I don't know. I've been moving on. I got no
Nabigay ng pera!
Your audience.
Ay, nabigay ng pera! Ay, nabigay namimigay ng tip! Ano naman limos? Lagot.
Let's stop this.
Ay, gago.
Let's stop. It's gonna go full.
Gago. 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 Gagi. Gago lang ang respeto. Gago.
You know what? Hindi naman kasi talaga siya magaling na queen.
Oh, shit.
Show me.
Dapat mo yung sa taas. Dali tayo sa taas lahat.
Ano yung maghubad kayo lahat?
Kasi mama.
Next din yan.
Oh my God! Buti lang kasha! Drag in City Whore! Yay! That was good. Dragon City Whore. From the block.
Putek.
Ulak?
Kaya naman gumagalaw eh. Oh my god. 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 Okay lang po. Masaya po.
Okay.
Thank you po. Yes. We survived.
Kuya, ingat padulas yung gulong.
Goodbye, City Whore. Bye-bye.